For many of our elders, this scene is all too familiar.
Tiffany, how to use this WhatsApp again?
The frustration of technology just out of reach and the need to call for help. In some cases, confusion can be dangerous, as scammers can use artificial intelligence or AI tools to target our most vulnerable.
I will try my best to help you.
To help bridge this digital divide, the Telecommunications Authority of Trinidad and Tobago, TATT, launched a nationwide series of digital empowerment workshops for senior citizens, facilitated by the non-governmental organization Restore a Sense of ICANN, RSC.
At the Authority, we believe that access to technology and digital skills is a right for all, not only for some, and age is certainly not a factor. This ICTs4Seniors initiative is part of a broader mission of TATT, which is to ensure that all Trinidadians and Tobagonians, young and old, can manage the digital world successfully.
The Ministry of Public Administration and Artificial Intelligence facilitated the use of its Access TT centers in Takaroigua, Couva and Point Fortin, whilst the Tobago Information and Technology Limited, TITL, facilitated the sessions in Tobago, bringing digital skills training on smartphone devices right to the heart of these communities. TATT also held sessions at its head office in Barataria.
As Minister of Public Administration and Artificial Intelligence, we are proud to collaborate with the Telecommunications Authority of Trinidad and Tobago for this great initiative. An initiative that indeed reflects the government's commitment to equipping Trinidad and Tobago seniors with essential digital skills, empowering them to confidently navigate today's digital world.
These workshops covered essential topics such as navigating smartphone settings, using WhatsApp, cyber safety tips, sending emails, mastering e-payments, and understanding generative AI.
In Tobago, our elders, as they say, are the keepers of wisdom. This program empowers them to stay connected and become confident to use the technology. There should be no fear of it.
Where does the AI get its information from? From stuff that posted.
There's a lot of synergy with TATT and RSC, and we've partnered for quite a number of years in joint initiatives and training. So they're a huge part of what we do.
Attendees had the opportunity to interact with a beta version of Joy, TATT's friendly avatar, a dedicated digital assistant ready to answer questions and connect citizens with the services offered by TATT. Attendees were awarded participation certificates, and outstanding participants were given the opportunity to spin and win various prizes.
You always have to learn something, right? No matter how old you are, you're learning.
It was interactive, interesting, enjoyable, participative.
This initiative is great, and I believe that it's supposed to be ongoing all the time.
But I enjoyed this session very much.
I don't know enough, and this information is needed for me.
Wow, it was great getting experiences from all around the country. It's amazing to see how similar the issues are with all the participants across the country.
Bridging the digital divide in our country is not just about wires and signals. It's about people, dignity, and the right to participate fully in today's world.
TATT thanks the following participating organizations: